Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm sharing probably my last summer themed video of the season. I have been trying to find this collection for so long and I'm so glad I finally found it. Today I will be showing you the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure Seaside Collection, and like I said, these were so hard to find, so I'm very happy that I found them at last. They are so beautiful. I think I first saw them on Sally Hansen's Instagram and they just looked so pretty together and I knew I had to get it. So I found the 4 of these polishes and I'm actually super impressed with this collection, so I'm really looking forward to sharing it with you. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you stick around. I am going to be posting 2 new videos every week as of right now. Every Tuesday and Friday you'll get a new video from me featuring something like this, either a swatch and review or some nail polish pics or a nail art tutorial. There's a whole bunch of different videos coming your way, so I hope to see you back here for another video. So before we get started, if you've never heard of the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure collection, I actually did a review of these previously. I think it was several months ago actually now, so I'll put that in the cards if you want to check that out. I do talk a lot more about these polishes in that video. So these polishes, if you're not familiar with them, they are plant-based, 16-free, and 100% vegan. So these are actually pretty new to the Sally Hansen line, and there's been a lot of different information about these polishes and about the brand in general, so I'm going to put the same information that I put on the screen in my first Good Kind Pure video, just so you can read it and have the info. So in any case, I'm going to be sharing my swatches of these polishes and my thoughts on the formula and the colors. I found these at CVS and they were all about $10, $10 or $11 depending on where you buy them, which is pretty expensive for a Sally Hansen polish, and especially because I would consider these drugstore polishes. They are a little bit more pricey, but definitely because of their 16-free formula and the plant-based nature of them, that's probably why they're definitely way higher priced than some of the other Sally Hansen polishes. But anyway, there's all of your information on the brand, so if you're interested in these polishes, I will try to link them below, or I will link similar colors just in case you happen to like them. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the review. So the first polish we'll be taking a look at is probably my favorite in the collection actually. This one is called Blue Tannical. This one, when I swatched this on my nails, so you're seeing my first swatch right here on camera, I was so impressed. This is one of the most opaque, well-formulated light blue polishes I have in my whole collection. The brushes, I really like the brushes on these polishes. They're a nice wide paddle brush, which is great for applying just a nice simple stroke on your nails. This formula is just incredible. This is so smooth, and as you can see, the coverage is fantastic on this first coat, which a lot of the light blue polishes I have are very streaky on the first coat. So here's the second coat. You can see it covers perfectly. The color is absolutely beautiful. It's just this very light, almost powder blue. It's kind of like a really pale sky blue. It's very pretty, and I think this is a really beautiful color for spring and summer, and even winter or fall. I guess it could be a year-round color depending on what types of polishes you like to wear, but I'm super impressed with this one. Definitely my favorite. It's fantastic. Our next polish did not disappoint either. This one is called Mint Refresh, and it's kind of similar to a polish I used to have from Sinful Colors. It's a very kind of pale mint green, but it doesn't have a lot of blue in it, so it's a very green mint green, if you know what I mean. So as you can see, it wasn't quite as opaque as Blue Tannical, but it was still super opaque on this first coat and very impressive. Once again, really smooth formula, works great. It's just so pretty, and again, nice brush. And again, this is a really nice color for spring and summer. I think it's really pretty and unique. I haven't seen a lot of green polishes like this year, so I'm really happy with this one. Here's the second coat. You can see it is completely opaque, which again, that's amazing. Since these polishes are a little bit more pastel than some of the other summer collections I've seen, that's just super impressive. And just in case you weren't able to get these opaque on 2 coats, you can always just wait a few minutes with the first coat and then apply a bit of a thicker second coat. That's usually what helps with getting full opacity on 2 coats. So this one is very pretty and I like this one a lot. This next one actually ended up being my least favorite in the collection, but it's still very pretty. This one is called Pink Sand, and I really like the name of this one. I just think it sounds super beachy. So this one is a really nice kind of medium bubblegum pink, but there's not a whole lot of blue in it. This one didn't have the best formula in my opinion. I'm not sure if I was just not applying it great or maybe the brush was a little bit weird on this one, but as you can see it still is very opaque on this first coat, but when I went to do the second coat it kind of pulled the first coat off a little bit, so it's kind of hard to get it fully opaque. The formula on this one was just a little bit sticky and hard to work with, but I still really like the color. I think maybe my brush was a little bit messed up because it kept kind of pooling on the brush and it was hard to get an even coat on, so I don't know, but I still like the color of this one. Like I said, I think it's a really pretty shade for spring and summer, so I'm not sure if my bottle is just not mixed properly or something, but this one is not the best to apply, but as you can see, if you're careful with your application, you could definitely get this opaque in 2 coats. I think maybe I didn't wait long enough for the first coat to dry. I'm not really sure what it was, but so this did end up being my least favorite out of the collection, like I said, but I'm still very happy with it. So it's a really pretty color for the summer like the rest. Our final polish in this Seaside Escape collection is called Mango Punch. This one had a bit of a different formula than the others. It's not a jelly polish at all, but that's just kind of what the formula felt like. It was a little bit thinner than some of the others. As you can see though, same fantastic opacity on this first coat, very, very opaque. If you had super, super, super short nails, like I know mine are pretty short right now, but if you had very, very short nails, this may be able to be a one coater for you. But the formula, like I said, did not disappoint. It was still pretty good, just a little bit thinner than some of the others. And this is a really pretty color. It was kind of hard to capture on camera. It's almost like a very pink carrot orange. It's very pretty. It's a nice coral color, and I just think it's very nice. I would actually wear this one in the fall if you're in the mood for more of a bright color in the fall. This is a nice option. So since we are sort of transitioning into fall, this one is still a good one to wear for a nice fall manicure, but still a very nice staple coral for the summer. So that is our last polish, and now let's move on to a bonus nail art tutorial with these. Seeing these polishes in a manicure together was actually one of the first reasons why I wanted to get this collection, so I really wanted to share a fun nail art tutorial with you with these polishes. So of course you could just do a Skittles manicure with these, but I wanted to share something even better. So first you'll need these 4 polishes, and you'll just want to paint one color on each of your nails, and you can just repeat in whatever pattern you want. So you're going to start with the blue, and then the pink, and the green, and the coral. So let's just start with those first coats, and then we'll move on to the very simple, minimal, and really cute design. So once you've decided the pattern of your colors, you're going to take any opposite color and just create a really simple sort of triangle chevron shape on the side of your nail. It's kind of like half a chevron. So this is a really, really, really simple design. It is so much fun to see how these colors look together because, like I said, that was one of the main reasons I really wanted this collection, just because I love how these colors look together. I just think it's a beautiful summer palette of shades, and it's really fun to mix the colors up and do some fun patterns with them. And this design is so easy. You don't need any extra tools. You just need the brush of the polish and just maybe some nail polish remover to clean up the sides of your nails once you're done. But I just love how this looks. It's super minimal but still really bright colors, so it's a really fun manicure to wear in the summer, or if you're somebody who likes brighter nails in the colder months, this is also a good option. So there you have it, a really simple nail art tutorial with this really pretty collection. So once you've let your designs dry for a few minutes, you're going to want to finish off your manicure with top coat so it lasts a while for you. Here I'm just using the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure top coat, which is actually one of my favorites, and I got this in a duo that I bought one of these polishes in, not these polishes, but the ones in my previous video, so I really like this top coat. And this I know definitely has an Amazon link, so I will totally put that in the description box for you. It is a great top coat and I highly recommend it. So that is really it for this nail art tutorial. It's so pretty and I just love these polishes. They look so pretty together. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It's a really easy way to support my channel and all you have to do is click a button. But if you did enjoy this video, I do hope you stick around. We are so close to reaching 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. So if you'd like, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It really helps me out and it's a great way to stick around and see what new videos are coming your way very soon. So like I said, I think my favorite from this collection was definitely Blue Tannical. I was just blown away by that formula. It was super opaque and absolutely gorgeous. So let me know in the comments which of these was your favorite, if you've been able to find this collection, or if you've ever tried the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure polishes in the first place. I really like this line of polishes. I think the formulas have been really good so far, and I definitely like to try some more of maybe the shimmer polishes just to see if they're any different. But overall, I'm very, very happy with this collection and I'm so glad I found it. So I am probably done with my summer nail polish for now since September is moving along even more quickly than I expected. So let me know in the comments what types of fall videos you'd like to see, and I'll definitely come up with some more videos as fall comes along, and lots of Halloween videos too once October comes around. So I'm really looking forward to that, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again very soon with another one. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!